grab your yoga bolster and let's get started. Welcome to your 1-minute yoga class. Today we're going to be working on restorative yoga. This posture is called Ardha Mendukasana. Menduka is a frog. We're going to do a half frog pose. Lie down on your stomach.
We'll start on the left side. Instruct your students to straighten their right leg and bend their left knee, bringing their left leg onto the bolster. They can have their head in the middle or turning to the left side. It doesn't really matter. The most important thing is you want your student to feel comfortable. When it's time to come out of the pose, you can choose to assist your student if you're there with them. If you're teaching virtually, you'll ask them to slowly roll out and move the bolster from one side of their body to the other side. Always make sure to instruct your student to move slowly in restorative postures. This is a gentle yoga practice.
If you dream of teaching yoga, go ahead and light up that follow button. I've got a lot to share with you.